Erwin, I'm leading to my third question. November 16, 2016, through the coordination with the Interpol, iniuwi ka dito sa Pilipinas. Pagdating sa airport, you were arrested at sinalubong ka ni Senator Bato
de la Rosa.
Nakikilala mo ba si Senator Bato?
Siyempre.
Bakit mo siya kilala?
Matapang yun. Puro barilan-barilan ang hahamon sa TV ng draw sa mga ilegalista.
What else do you know about Senator Bato? Bago pa siya naging senador, nasan ba si Senator Bato?
Chief PNP yun po, Your Honor.
Chief PNP.
Ano?
Okay, can you please identify the picture on the screen? Sino ba yung nasa screen?
Siya po, si Bato de la Rosa.
During that time, ano bang assignment ni Senator Bato during that time? Yang kwento mong insidente. Nasaan siya noon?
Siya ang Chief PNP.
Yes, you stated in your sinumpaang salaysay na may sinabi sa'yo.
Opo.
Ang noon ay PNP Chief Bato.
Opo.
Na kailangan mong gawin kapalit ng iyong pagkakataon na mabuhay.
Opo.
Do you confirm this?
Yes po.
Can you please tell us, anong sinabi sa'yo ni Senator Bato?
Sinabi niya sa akin, sumunod ka sa plano. Sumunod ka kung sino ang babanggitin mo para maligtas ang buhay mo. Kung ayaw mong sumunod, ikaw na ang susunod sa tatay mo or isa sa membro ng pamilya nyo may mangyari na masama.
You mentioned about plano. Can you tell us ano ba yung planong tinutukoy?
May mga pangalan na pinid sa akin, sinubo, at babanggitin ko sa aking testimonya o sa aking salaysay sa Senado. At
maaari mo bang sabihin, sino ba itong mga taong ito at anong gustong ibabanggit sa'yo ng noon ay PNP Chief Bato?
Peter Lim, supplier daw ng shabu, pero nandyan lang, hindi na huli-huli. Tapos si Senator De Lima, protector daw sa mga shabu, mga nagtitinda ng shabu sa loob ng Bilibid. Protector daw si Ma'am Laila. At yung iba pa, si Lovely Impal, si Jiraham, si Peter Ko, ganon.
In other words, Kerwin, ang gusto ni PNP Chief ay banggitin mo itong mga pangalan na ito na may kaugnayan sa illegal drug operation. Tama ba yun?
Opo.
At ito ba'y sinunod mo, Kerwin?
Talagang sinunod ko po kasi...
Bakit mo to sinunod? Of course, alam mong mali ito.
Oo.
Diba? Bakit mo sinunod ang utos ng nonay PNP Chief Bato?
Kung siguro kayo, kung kahit sino naman sa atin na mga tao dito, nandito sa loob ng Quadcom, talagang susunod dahil kapalit na yon ng buhay mo. At lalo na pag may mga anak ka pang maliit na sabihin na susunod ka na sa papa mo kung hindi ka sumunod sa aming plano.
Mr. Chair, I wish to make a manifestation that with respect to the raid of the house of the late Mayor Espinosa, which happened in August 2016, our resource speaker, sadly speaking, has no personal knowledge. So, taking from his statements that there were women who were guarding the house and even cleaned up the house, reason why they are certain that all the guns, explosives, and shabu were merely planted by the PNP operatives, I respectfully move, Mr. Chair, that we invite these women. And I hope Kerwin will be able to name who these women are in order to substantiate the testimony that Kerwin Espinosa has given to the Quadcom. Second, Mr. Chair, with respect to the raid and the killing incident of the late Mayor Espinosa in Baybay, Leyte, we are suffering from the same predicament because, as admitted by Kerwin, he was still in Abu Dhabi during the time. So, to determine the veracity of the information that he was able to receive from his sources, I respectfully move as well, Mr. Chair, that we invite the third inmate by the name Don Don, who was inside the cell of the late mayor when the killing incident happened. I wish to ask Kerwin to name also the jail guards who were on duty during the time, likewise to substantiate the information that he has given to Quadcom already, Mr. Chair. So move, Mr. Chair.
Okay, before I rule on the motion, tanungin ko lang muna si Mr. Espinosa. Sino-sino itong mga women na sinasabi mong ayon sa iyong salaysay, yung mga women na naglinis ng bahay ninyo?
Landa, asawa ng barangay captain namin sa aming barangay.
Ano lang yung full name nila kaya para ma-record
Landa Sumalhag.
Okay.
Sumalhag.
Sumalhag. Okay.
Linda Rosal.
Linda.
TC de la Austria. Yang tatlong binanggit ko, sila na ang
10 minutes.
magpatuloy na magbanggit kung sino-sino ang kasama nila doon sa mga women's supporters ni Daddy.
Yung isang witness na nasa loob ng kulungan na isang PDL din, anong pangalan niya?
Dondon, a certain Dondon.
Certain Dondon. So there is a motion to invite the women who, according to the sinumpaang salaysay ni Kerwin Espinosa, ang siyang naglinis ng kanilang bahay bago po ni-raid ng membro ng Alberta Police ang kanilang bahay. And a certain Dondon who is a PDL and who apparently saw the incident that happened inside the jail. Is there a second? Is there a there's a second? Are there any objections? So hearing none, the motion is approved. Comsec,
Mr.
please
Chair.
invite the following personalities mentioned by Mr. Espinosa in the next Quadcom hearing.